That's right, Emily. I am here with the rest of the Brooks team. Let's give a round of applause to them. $10,000. Can you imagine? $10,000. Gosh, that's probably going to last about, what, 3 years, you think? And I'm joined by Lane Pollen. She is with Watkins Uberall because everything here has to be done very legally and professionally. And
right.
so we've already, once you explain to our viewers, what did we just do?
We just put in the next batch of tickets for that date range for the Brooks gift card. So all those tickets are now in here. The original person that won the ring is back in here. So all the
right.
tickets.
So you ready?
Ready to go.
Ready to
Let's
spin
spin
it? Come on,
All right.
spin. All right, come on, you guys got to cheer. All right.
Okay.
$10,000. We're talking about a $10,000 gift card to Brooks, a shopping spree. $10,000. You're going to have to get all the way down in there, Lane.
All right. That one.
All right, and the winner of the $10,000 Brooks Grocery gift card is going to be Kenya Daniel of Tupelo, Mississippi. Woo! Woo, 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 woo. And Kenya, just think of us here. I'm just kidding. We're going to toss it back to Emily.